Good morning, everyone. Myself, Bharat from 3rd BSc Biochemistry. My topic is about nerve fiber. Next slide. Introduction about nerve fiber. A nerve fiber is a thread-like extension of a nerve cell and consists of an axon and myelin sheath in the nervous system. Basis of classification depending upon the structure, depending upon the distribution, errors and grasses, and numerical classification. Depending upon the structure. Myelinated nerve fibers. In these nerve fibers are covered by the myelin sheath. Unmyelinated nerve fibers. In these nerve fibers are not covered by the myelin sheath. Next slide. Depending upon the distribution. Next slide. Somatic nerve fibers. It is the supply of the skeletal muscle of the body. Visceral or autonomic nerve fiber. It is the supply of the various internal organs of the body. Depending upon the diameter and velocity of conduction. Erlanger's and Grasser's classification. Erlanger's and Grasser's classification. Erlanger and Grasser studied the action groups of nerve fibers. There are three groups: A group, B group, and C group. A group. A group is composed of the largest fibers. The fibers of these groups are myelinated, both sensory and motor in function. It is found in somatic nerves as sciatic and spinous nerve. It is further classified into four subgroups: A alpha, A beta, A gamma, A delta. Next slide. B group. In these, the fibers of these groups are myelinated. The fibers are found solely in preganglionic and autonomic nerve. C group. It is composed of smallest fibers. All of the fibers of these groups are unmyelinated, mostly found in visceral and cutaneous nerve. They have high threshold, that is 30 folds that of A group. Generally, they found in postganglionic sympathetic nerve. Next slide. Numerical classification. Next slide. Here we can see the numerical classification of sensory nerve fibers. Origin, muscle spindle, annulospiral ending. Fiber type is A alpha. Golgi tendon organ. Fiber type is A alpha. Muscle spindle, flower spray ending, and touch pressure. Fiber type is A beta. Pain and cold receptors and some touch receptors. A delta. Pain, temperature, and other receptors. Fiber type is dorsal root C. Next slide. So next we can see the properties of nerve fibers. Next slide. Important properties. There are some important properties in nerve fibers. Excitability, conductivity, unfatigability, refractive period, all or none response, summation, and accommodation. Excellent. Excitability. In this, nerve fibers are highly excitable tissues and it responds to various stimuli, and it is capable of generating electrical impulse. Conductivity. In this, the action potential is generated in the nerve fiber, which is propagated along its entire length of the axon terminal. Next slide. Unfatigability. In this, the nerve fibers cannot be fatigued even when they are stimulated continuously. All or none response. In this, either all of the action potential is seen or none at all. If the stimulus of threshold strength is applied, AP will be generated. Further increase in strength of stimulus or duration has no effect on amplitude of AP, but can affect the frequency. Next slide. Refractive period. Duration action potential. Duration action potential, the excitability of a nerve becomes reduced. That is, a new impulse cannot be generated during a AP. There are two types in refractive period: absolute refractive period and relative refractive period. Next slide. Next slide. Summation. In this, the application of sum of threshold stimulus does not evoke an actual action potential. However, if sub-threshold stimuli are applied in rapid succession, they are added and they produce an action potential. Accommodation. Application of continuous stimulus may decrease the excitability of nerve fiber. Next slide. Thank you.